Good morning, guys. How's everyone doing? Let's see what we have here. Good morning, Tony. Good morning, CH. Good morning, Diana. Good morning, Florian. Good morning, Brian. All right. Uh, uh, all right, so we got EJ here. All right. We got buys above 143,700. All right, and we got sells below this Asian session low. We'll see what EJ does today. Maybe EJ is gonna give us a runner because, as you can see, obviously, EJ pretty much ranged between London and now. EJ has been ranging. Nothing major happened. All right. So maybe we're gonna get, I believe we should get volume since we pretty much ranged really pre-New York, New York, and freaking London, I mean Asian session. So we should see some volume during London. So we'll see what happens. Good morning, Miami. Good morning, Fiyoki. Good morning, Maran. Good morning, Paul.
Got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big. We gon' make it big.
Really, Brian? You don't have any money to trade with. You have officially closed your currency account. You only trade in only NAS. I mean, I don't blame you. we've been smashing NAS 100, and man, it's just been amazing. It's just been amazing. 3 weeks straight, the win rate we've been having on NAS has just been freaking impressive. Let me just use that word. So if you decide to stick to NAS, man, I don't blame you. Or just do what I'm doing. Have a separate Forex account and then a separate Indices account. So I know why I told you guys that I'm only sticking to this pair right here, Euro JPY during London, and trading only NAS. Or maybe US 30 once in a while, but pretty much it's gonna be NAS 100 during NYSE. And I always tell you at the time that to really make it in this industry, you only need 1 to 3 pairs, and 3 is just maximum because you really only need 1 to 2, but 3 maximum. You don't need to be all over the place. Like, why not do what successful forex traders are doing? Why not do that? Successful traders stick to 1 to 3 pairs maximum. They're not all over the place. They're not trading GU, GA, freaking AU, Euro USD, Euro CAD, Euro AUD. Like, they're not all over the place. They have specific pairs. So, why not do what successful traders are doing? And watch and see if you are not gonna become successful in this eventually. Plus the other stuff that you gotta, you need to have discipline, you need to have a trading plan, have good risk management. Then man, then you definitely go to the top. Yo, good morning, Fiyoki. Good morning, Mugisha. Good morning, Boomish. Oh yeah, I remember you said you use IG for currency pairs and who goes for indices. Can I analyze GJ for you? Send me your chart, Mugisha. Let me see your chart or let me see your chart on GJ. Man, if this candle had a bottom wick, I'll be in this buy right now, here on the 5 minute. But it does not. I'll take these quick buys back to this resistance. So looking at this on the 5 minute, if this candle eventually creates a top wick, I mean a bottom wick, I'll take it, guys. If it creates a top wick, I mean a bottom wick. If not, I'm not gonna take it. We should continue to these highs. What the hell? Why did I spell it like this? Good morning, the Alpha. Good morning, Win83. We got this nice trend line going here on the 5 minute. Plus we see here price went up. We have higher high. Hold on. Let me tell you why I'm willing to take these buys. Alright? Pay attention. Price found demand here. We created a high. Came down, low, high, low, high. Then we came back and we tested this support that was created here to the left, right? Came back down there. What did we create? A what? A low, right? We created a higher low. So now price is gonna have to create another high right here. Somewhere around here is going to be above this high for price to continue. All right. And if we do not continue, if we're going to stay bullish, there's a higher probability that price will do what, come back down. We test this same support here, looking at this on the 5, or just come down, reject this trend line, right? And price will continue pushing up. So right now, I'm just waiting to see if we're gonna continue bullish for here before we get in, or we're gonna come down, we test this trend line or this support for us to continue pushing up. Morning, Yvonne. Good morning, Adikaya. If none of the stuff I just explained, if it doesn't happen before London, then we'll go back to the 30-minute time frame. Or we just stay here because it could happen during London session. So we'll see. We'll just look at this on the 5 for now. Let's see if my analysis is going to eventually happen, or if we're going to have a break below this support. Now, if we have a break below this support, obviously we should head down back to this support, but my buys, I'll just take my buys, my sells below this support if we break and close below this support. So we'll see what happens here. GU is melting. I mean, it can keep melting. It can keep melting. Sticking to my trading plan. So, this is very, very nice. What's happening here on the 5 minute? This is very nice. So now to the right, you see what's happening in the right, to the right here. Looks like we're consolidating, right? Now we see we're rejecting this low that we've created here. We've created a support here on the 5, meaning price is retesting this high to the left and this low right here. So we have a minor resistance support. Now price created support here to the right. If we keep rejecting it, we could potentially start going back up, and then that will be our entry on the 5 minute. All right, on the 5 minute. So we just gotta wait for that setup to happen, guys. All right. Good morning, Lightning Factions. All right, guys. Let's do knowledge text. Knowledge test. Now, this knowledge test that I'm about to do, I'm going to create a poll. Now, I want to see how many percentage of you is going to get it right and how many percentage of you is going to get it wrong. And what I'm about to do, this is also about me giving value. Whether, majority of you get it wrong or get it right, I'm still going to give you the right answer. We're going to do it twice. We're going to do it for a buy and for a sell. Alright, so poll is incoming. Poll is incoming. Oh. Alright. Alright. Let's see how many of you is gonna get it right. And how many of you is gonna get it wrong. Damn, 94% of you choose buy. Okay, we'll see. We'll see. Rohan, wait, I'll answer the question later. I'll give my answer. I like this song. Shit, I'm in. I'm in. I mean, Euro JPY. Just do this way. So Friday.
We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. But your aura passed me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed, you like the fast life, you like to drive, get down and dirty, like the black guy. You want some love, be like when you feel it calling midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful,
Well, we'll see what happens. If the market acts right, we should be able to catch some pips here. Said even before London Open. Yes, guessing, I mean. Yes, the alpha way in. Good morning, Sahid. Oh, you wanna wait for the 30 minutes to close? I mean, 30 minutes just closed. Alright, so far, 80% of you says buys, and 20% of you say sells. Alright, keep it coming. Oh no, I want to play some Afro beats.
Yeah. Oh, ooh, yeah. I'm out, oh, yeah. Turn up for the night. Real thing, she's no average girl. Too fine, oh, she mine. She's so yeah. Fine. I just wanna call on you. Money just fall on you. Another thing I won't do. Ooh, yeah. Eh. I just wanna call on you. Let me do it all for you. Can't nobody ball on you. Ooh, yeah. Eh. She the girl in my visions. Now that I found you, I'm fiending for all your attention. Yeah. Hope you don't mind if I give you a tour of my mansion. Yeah. All of this for you, babe. Nothing I won't do, babe. Weak for your love. Everywhere we go, it be alright. Yeah. Can't help it with your body. Just wanna make you happy. I just wanna call on you. Money just fall on you. Another thing I won't do. Ooh, yeah.
I really just want to ride this thing to this, back to this New York highs, right? But obviously that's gonna give us, that's about 20 pips or so if it gets there. But I'm like, shit, we should be able to get 10 to 15 pips on this trade, worst case. But it should head back to New York highs. If we break that, then, we have the next zone at around 144.
You got too much going on in that mind, let me help you. Yeah. Let me give you the moments and you'll away together. Can't help it with your body. Just wanna make you happy. I just wanna call on you. Money just fall.
New York highs is around 143, 650, 670 or so. 82% of you say buys, 80% of you say sells. Alright, so far. This candle closes in 2 minutes. If it closes bullish like this, even though it has no bottom wick, we should continue pushing up. Five minutes, 15, or even the 30 minutes. We'll use that. This thing is actually based off what was going on the higher time frame. If you look at on the 4 hour, if you look at this 4 hour, we in this big range, right? Okay, we in that big range on the 4 hour. Now on the 5 minute, I mean, so for those of you that just go here, the reason why I took these buys is gonna be, I'm just gonna answer what, give you the right answer. Those of you that choose buys, you're absolutely correct. Those of you that choose sells in the poll, you're wrong. Now, this is the explanation why in case like this, especially on the lower time frame, you need to be looking for buys. Now, we already explained what's going on the 4 hour, right? New York high is right here. Now, going to the lower time frame, in this case, our entry is on the 5 minute, right? Now, what do we see here? What was actually going on, right? We did what? Created a high, higher high, came down, created a low, high, low, high, low. Price came back and retested a what? Support zone, right? Support zone. We came back to, we tested it here to the right. Now what did price do? Price created another high right here. Now when price created this high, price came down. We tested off of what? We tested off a previous minor support zone, and we retested it here. We got our engulfing candle. We took the buys. So right now I'm expecting EJ to head back to the New York highs. That's what I'm expecting. Why would you be looking for buys? Because what have we been creating? We've been creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, highs, lows. So next high right now should be the New York highs that we gonna create, because we just have demand right here, demand here, demand here. We got another demand here to the right. So we're pushing up. New York highs should be the destination of Euro JPY right now. Now, are we certainly going to break the New York highs? I don't know. But since we've been creating higher highs and higher lows, we could possibly break it or reject it for price to continue coming down. Because remember, on the 4 hour, we trade in a range. Looking at this on the 4 hour, but because we on the lower time frame, we could take the quick buys back to the previous highs. I hope that makes sense. So if you choose buys, you're not wrong. If you choose sells, in my opinion, you're wrong. So that's that. And I'm actually expecting for us to at least shit get 10 pips here before freaking London open. 10 pips should be somewhere there for me. 143, 560. 10 pips should be right there for me. We'll see. Thank you, hyperbolic time trader. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and close this poll since I already answered it. We're like 6 pips away from being able to secure 10 pips here. I mean, right now we're like freaking 8 or so. Ah, really, the alpha? Good morning, Nigel. Oh, man. It would have been nice if this candle had flipped at close bullish. It almost did too. But this candle right now could still flip bullish. Come on, EJ, give me at least 10 pips before London open. You can do it. I divorced GJ because of you, so know what you're doing. I divorced GJ because of you. No, Rohan, I didn't trade GU. Remember, guys, I said it was JPY. I'm not trading nothing else. I trade Forex during London. It's only gonna be Euro JPY. If I trade it during Asian, it's only gonna be Euro JPY. And my NYSE trades is only NAS 100. One currency pair and one indices. It's not a strong one. It's not a it's not a strong one. If it was, I wouldn't have taken the buys at this entry where my entry is. I would have taken it somewhere down here, right here if I had seen it. Down here, somewhere around here. Alright, that's where my buy would have been, and I would have targeted these highs right here. But it's not, that's why I got in right there as well. Especially the fact that we're creating higher highs and higher lows. And on the 4 hour, we're actually still bullish. On the daily and all that, we're still bullish. Alright, and even if you look at the 4 hour, we have created a high, low, and then if anything, we should go back to these highs. So my destination is based off the 4 hour. Entry is based off what's going on the 5 minute. what I see, which is I see higher highs and higher lows, and that's why I took the buys. So now, is he rejecting right there? Yes, it is. Oh, sorry, guys. So we probably definitely pulling back on the 1 minute. Euro is even strong. Remember, we're on the 5 minute, so don't be scared of pullbacks. I know we all like to see when we take a trade, when we're in a buy, for example, we all like to just see bullish candles, bullish candles, bullish candles all the way. No red candles at all. So, especially if you're trading on a 5 minute, just know you're gonna see bullish and bearish candles. Whether it's in an uptrend or it's in a downtrend, you'll see it. Steady psychology. It's when you do that. Well, I understand. Right now, what we need now is an engulfing candle. Or just nothing but blue candles now. Engulfing candle or that. Nice engulfing candle. Shit, we'll be closing 10. And London opens in 4 minutes. Well, London is officially open. I was expecting us to get at least 10 pips before London open. So we'll see what happens here, guys. My broker spread is going crazy on EJ right now. Because London just opened. This thing just acted like we were gonna like straight up shoot to the moon. We should still shoot to the moon though. Hey Fiyoki, how you doing? I hope you're well. This minor resistance is still holding.
Yeah. Oh my vibe on your mind.
Oh, really? Rosberg? Oh.
Him no make you happy. No. Him no make you feel like I do. They both turning my way. Yeah. I can feel you warming up to
Ah, Steve
me.
Jenkins said my wife is breastfeeding my child next to me.
Free throw. Ready to play the game with no cheat code. Girl, you took my heart like a repo. All these other girls not even close. Something's telling me that she knows. Stuck in my mind, things I would do for you. Stuck in my mind, long nights thinking of you. Stuck in my mind. Oh my God, when you're stuck in my mind. Oh my
Yeah,
God, on your mind. Did not see you last
it
week.
was almost there too.
Told me
Oh,
you will make it up to me. Just wanted you closer, closer. Electric feel when you brush up on me. Oh, think I got a shot like a free throw. Ready to play the game with no cheat code. Girl, you took my heart like a repo. All these other girls not even close. Something's telling me that she knows. Stuck in my mind, things I would do for you. Stuck in my mind, long nights thinking of you. Stuck in my mind. Oh my God, when you're stuck in my mind.
EJ
Oh my throat on your
EJ
mind.
acted like this yesterday too.
Would do for you. Stuck in my mind, long nights thinking of you. Stuck in my mind. Oh my God, when you're
Good morning, Andre.
oh my throat on your mind. Oh my vibe on your mind. Oh my throat on your mind. Oh my vibe on your mind. Oh my throat on your mind.
Now we're testing the previous highs on the 5. We're retesting it. I don't see how this trade is not going to be a winning trade. This right here should be a winning trade. So we shall see. No GBP USD for me. Just this pair right here. For whatever reason, if we should come down to this trend line and like either break below it or start crossing there, I'm gonna get out.
Never seen it quite like this. She be the hottest in town, coming out the twilight lit. Yeah, let them know who got the
Even
crown.
though we might
Just
just
do like
come
you
back
do.
to
Always keep it
this
hundo when you
support here
move.
and then
You don't really want it with her
continue
crew.
going bullish.
Don't need that
But
drama, she calling your
if we
mama.
start crossing
Put
that
that
trend
on
line
the
or
move.
break
We
below it,
rolling with the baddest, we
I'm
can't
gonna get
lose.
out.
Party till the morning, how we do. Just had to feel on your body, girl, you so
And if it
addicted. She
comes back
got
to
that
this support
tsunami.
and find demand
When you
again and
there
start
with
going
me,
up,
can't be still.
then
Don't
I'll
you hurt
take the buys
nobody.
again.
You be alone if looks can kill. Hey, for danser, for bouger. Girl, you got the whole town screaming. Hey, for danser, for bouger. Girl, you got the whole town screaming. Hey, for danser, for
But I'm not
bouger.
expecting it. If we're gonna
Danser, for
retest wherever,
bouger.
I'm not expecting this
Danser,
to
bouger.
freaking close
Girl, you
below
got the
this
whole
trend
town
line.
screaming. Wine
I'm
up
not
for me, now
expecting
wine
that to
up for
happen.
me, girl. We on the dance floor, we vibing. We in so deep like we mobbing. You got my temperature rising. No one like you, boo. Always keep it hundo when you move. They don't really want it with our crew.
At
Don't
this
need that
point, we're
drama.
just
She calling
ranging.
your mama. Ooh, who that
For
on
now,
the
we're
move?
just ranging
We
here.
rolling with the baddest, we can't lose. Party till the morning, how we do. Just had to feel on your body, girl. You so addicted. She got that tsunami. When you there with me, can't be still. Don't you hurt nobody. You be alone if looks can kill. Hey,
Yeah,
for dancer, for
the
bouger.
1 minute
Girl,
though.
you got the whole town screaming. Hey, for dancer, for bouger. Girl, you got the whole town screaming. Hey, for dancer, for bouger. Danser, for bouger. Danser, bouger. Girl, you got the whole town screaming. Ce soir avec moi, elle veut danser. Yeah. Hey, for danser, for bouger. Girl, you got the whole town screaming. Hey, for danser, for bouger. Girl, you got the whole town screaming. Hey, for danser, for bouger. Danser, for bouger. Danser, bouger. Girl, you got the whole town screaming. Yeah, into me. I'm out of yeah. All that design, I know do you no justice, you one of a kind. Seen you like twice, but you know what they say, that 3 times is a charm. You probably heard it a lot, but baby, why you looking so fine? Get
Hey,
to
J
the
Karish, good
chase.
morning.
Girl, where you been? Hiding out all day. I've been having all these dreams of you
I
being
agree,
mine,
J
so
Karish. I agree.
girl, you listen me.
But you know, in this market, anything can happen. Even when you have the right, analysis and you're so confident in that trade, you know. But price action wise, this trade right here should be a winning trade. So we just gotta wait and see.
She the type that you can never let go. Turn your life around cause she's special. Attitude is out if you test though. You don't find this one on the net, oh. So don't test though. Hey, baby, you're killing me small when you're smiling. Wanna explore your talent. Wondering where you've been. Hiding out all day.
Honestly, Andre, for now, I'm at least expecting it to get to these New York highs, right? For now. And if it breaks above that, my final TP is going to be 144.008. It's a Friday anyway, so I'm not really expecting, a freaking big move. You know. But if we get big moves, shit, maybe I might as well just continue, you know, trailing it. Shit. Oh shit, I'll just get out because I still got to trade NAS this morning, anyways. Oh, very nice, J. Koresh. Mm. Thank you. Uh, uh, da, da. Okay. All right. This candle closes in 2 minutes. Let's see how it's gonna close. Let me see how it's gonna close before I get out of this. Ah, ah. All right, I'm out, guys. I'm out. I'm out. Negative 14 pips. Yep. Ah. Uh, see, this is what I be saying. Yep, this is what I be saying. Anything can happen in this market, man. We should have been freaking going, like, continue pushing up. Anything can happen in this market. So, now, I'm gonna see if we're actually gonna break below this. So now since we rejected from there, we got a high right there. But I'm not gonna put that on there right now because if we reject this again, this time around we should continue pushing up. But if we break it, then we're coming back down to this support and maybe we'll eventually break below it and we look for sales right from there. Uh, it didn't hit my stop loss. I just decided to get out. I just decided to get out. Yeah. So uh 2 2. Our JPY pairs was probably buying before this bearish move. So we found supply here. Um, you said that's bad luck. I mean, see, this thing happens in this market. What can you do? Just because this setup didn't work out, doesn't mean if you take it the same. If you take the same tomorrow, it's not gonna work out. Now, all we're waiting for now is to just give it another chance. But if we come down to this support and reject, best believe I'm gonna look for a buy entry if that happens. Right from where this support is on the 5 minute. Oh, GJ would have been successful. Let's see. Uh, Actually, looking at GJ, I would have taken sales. The time we got in on EJ, yeah, I would have taken sales on GJ. Yeah, you're right. It would have worked out. Yeah, you're right. Let me see something on the Feddy. Yeah, GJ went successful. GJ just continued in the same trend even when London opened. So EJ could drop too. Oh, what the hell? So rejected off of this.
Uh-huh. Amaru. Make it fire. Yeah. Me no understand why you not here with me. Let me take it over for you, girl. You've been out searching the wrong place. On your mind, only place that I wanna be. You define what true beauty is all the way. So divine, God must took a long time to make you. Yeah, I know that you've been here before. It's different this time. You have me on your side. Follow me.
Once I take it, I'll let you guys know. Alright. I'm not in yet, guys. Alright, I'm in the buys. I'm in the buys. Well, I'm in the buys. This is the second time I'll be taking EJ. Whatever happens with this, I'm not trading London anymore. I mean today. Whatever happens with this trade. Let's turn around and we'll just write this. Those two here. See if it gets there. All this is supposed to be filled. Uh, uh, Market is not respecting all these zones today. We should go up and fill all this up. Worst case, that's what I'm expecting here. If EJ freaking acts right, that's what should happen here. Elvis, yes, they do. You took NAS 100 trade today? I don't trade it during this time at all. Nope. Only NYSC. And trading it during NYSC shit has been working perfectly well. Perfectly well. Alright, this is not holding currently. Alright. Yep, we're gonna get stopped there. Very funny. Alright, that's Friday for you. Oh, AJ playing too many games today. Ugh. Mm. I'm just watching the 1 minute now to see what freaking is going, what's going on here on the 1 minute. This is how I trade NAS 100. Just exactly like this. Sell the top, buy the bottom. Alright. Bad Friday it is. Okay, daddy node, we out. 2 trade, 2 losses. That's it for me, guys. Oh, that's it. So what's this? Well, 13 pips for this trade altogether. Shit, lost 27 pips today. 27 p plus. All right. This is why I separate my Forex account from my Indices account. I don't want to have them together. Okay. The demand didn't hold here. Did not hold here. I mean, it did push up for a minute. It's just where our entry was. And this didn't hold either. This right here didn't hold either. Instead, we rejected off of this support here. At this point, if I'm gonna sell, I'm gonna wait for it to break here. But I'm done for today. But if you wanna sell it, I'm gonna wait for this candle to close. For this candle to close, I'm gonna wait if you wanna sell it. Well, if you're looking for a good and reputable broker, I definitely do recommend Hanko Trade. With Hanko Trade, you can either use MT4 or MT5 as your trading platform. With Hanko Trade, they have 2 account types that I do recommend. ECN, if you have at least $100, go with ECN. If you have at least $1,000, go with ECN Plus to deposit. Now, Hanko Trade spread start from 0.0 pips, maximum leverage of 1 to 500, very good low commissions, negative balance protection, and you can apply for a matching deposit as well, but make sure your leverage is at least 1 to 200. So if you want to get started with Hanko Trade, you guys can use my link down below in the description. Alright, shit, I'm gonna record these 2 trades right now. Man, so far on my Forex account, shit, I'm actually break even so far this month. Break even month so far. I've not made, if we're going by the month and not the weeks, I've not made any money this month on my Forex account. So, shit, Indices has been killing it for me, so we'll see. But you know, the month has not ended yet. We still got what? We got like what? 14 more days, so 2 more weeks. So we'll see how we end the month. Damn, this thing is really falling now. No matter what, I'm still choosing Euro JPY over GJ. If you trade gold, it's like you taking, like, 2 losses trading gold in one day, and you're like, you know what? Oh, I'm just gonna switch, or I should have traded this pair instead of the one I traded. You can't think like that. Mm. But of course, the setup I would have taken on GJ, worked out perfectly, just like freaking EJ should have worked out when we first took the buys on the 5 minute. And damn, it's really, really dropping hard. Let's see. Because look, this setup happened right when we took the buys on EJ. JPY must have gotten stronger, so it's freaking dropping hard, boy. Shit, this is like freaking nice this morning. Dropping. I mean, yesterday morning. Very nice, Fred. DXY is going to the moon too. You see, that's why when I trade currencies, I trade it more of breakouts. Now, the 5 minute could still pull back, but at this point, since we broke out of this freaking support, shit, now I'll wait for a pullback. Wait for a pullback and take the sell because we're breaking out of this support. Pre-London, GJ started a bearish move and then continued bearish when London opened. EJ started bullish, but then changed during London. But the thing about the buys that we took, looking at it now, after we taking the loss, the demand did actually hold, but it just found supply at this resistance right here instead of finding it at the New York highs. Alright, so yeah, my anticipation was just wrong, expecting that it's gonna go to the New York highs. And looking at this supply here, obviously this would have been a winning trade. So the drop started when London opened, and all right. If I'm gonna get in on this sell, we either wait for a retest here on the 5-minute and a bullish continuation, and looking at the 30-minute, we got 5 minutes for this candle to close. This candle could still pull all the way back. If that happens, looking at the 30-minute, that would be nice. And you have more room to ride this thing probably all the way down here to 142, 300. Yeah. You trade GBP CHF too? Uh, just waiting to see what's gonna happen here on the 5-minute. If I do like it, then if we retest here, I'll take the sell. But right now, I'm no longer looking for buys. Actually, you know what? If we do retest, I'll take the sell. Alright. My maximum a day is 3. That's my maximum, so maybe I will do my maximum 3. And then NAS is on a separate account, it's not on the same account, so that's good. Where are we currently testing? if we take a sell here and we actually win, we're gonna need at least freaking 30 pips to even have a break even day today. At least 30. Come on, man, keep going up, keep going up, keep going up. Why is it rejecting? Come on, go up, go up, go up. Yeah, man. Look at this. Peace with this back down to the support 18. I'm trying to see where it's currently rejecting at on the higher time frame.
time I come around you, baby girl, something doesn't feel the same. You said that I'm changing, but it's really you. I see how you play those games. Wifey type for a main man. A queen can make moves, a king can't. Snatch you up, now you taking. Gave you bricks, now you building. A wall up, lately you and I've been all love. All love, I don't know what's up with our love. Our love, you forgetting all about us. Oh. My jolie, oh my jolie, where are you? When I need you the most, you still MIA. This is murder, heart is melting, girl you got me. Called your bluffing, made you something, now you talking. Telling me to cool it off, how can I cool it off, telling me to cool it off, how can I cool it off, My jolie, oh my jolie.
You see this move we're getting here right now on the 5 minute on EJ? This was what I was anticipating when we took the buys over here. Now we'll see if we're really gonna retest this support and then continue falling. Alright, so far I'm liking this week rejection. We'll see what happens from here. Hey, Jay Smith. I'm not in, guys. that close. Entry is gonna be right there. I'm not in. I haven't called this yet.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. On me, yeah. No escaping from my mind, but low key. You know that you one of a kind, wanna show me, baby, the things you can do with that body, yo. Show up everywhere that I be, yo. All you wanna do
By
is
the
party,
time we
yo.
take the entry on the 5 minute,
You are the type that they want me
if we start falling, this 30-minute candle will be flipping bearish. Same thing with the 1 hour.
She cold-hearted like Greenland. Church girl moving like a queen pen. Hey, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing. She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me. She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me, yeah. Yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, hey. Fashionably laid on purpose,
No, J Smith, I didn't catch the GJ sales
wind up on the plate,
because obviously I'm not looking at GJ anymore.
knows how to move it and checking what I'm gonna do.
But if I was,
We making a movie, the
yeah,
things
of
you and
course I
I
would
go
have caught
through.
it.
Every time we link up, it's a roller coaster when we make love. Sometimes I don't really
My
know where
focus is
I
on
feels
EJ.
like someday you could flip us. She the real thing, and she cold-hearted like Greenland. Church girl moving like a queen pen. Hey,
As far as
yeah, my thing,
currency pairs goes,
yeah, my thing.
my focus is on EJ and EJ only.
She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me. She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me. Yeah, baby, do you know if you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me? She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me. Baby, do you know if you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me? She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me. Yeah, yeah, my thing.
But GJ was definitely nice sales today. Very nice. It's probably pulling back now too. Yeah, it's pulling back now too.
Why you gotta be so cold sometimes, girl?
Doo, doo, doo.
Amaru, Masklova. Yeah. Girl, you looking better than the photos. Need more of your time, so I
You
wanna
said
do it
maybe
slow mo.
rejection at
Yeah. Busy schedule, but it
142.60.
doesn't really matter when it comes to
Yeah,
you.
it is, but at
Yeah.
this point, since we broke
Working with
below
you is
these
whichever, I
lows,
could never get enough of
I'm
you.
only looking for
Yeah.
sales.
She said, what you want from me? Baby, what you want from me?
The
Yeah.
quick buys I was looking
Nothing but the
for
company. Sitting on the top with me.
was
Yeah.
around here,
Oh. Girl, I can give you
and
the
that didn't
love of your
happen. We
life
took
right
losses,
now,
obviously.
right now. Give you the moment you never could have right now.
And now I'm not looking
Let me
for
get it
buys
again, let
until we break above this support. If you break above that support, then I'll be looking at sales. And if you do break above that support, I'll be looking for a break, some kind of retest back to this support, and then buys. Oh, very nice, J. Smith. I mean, I still have a profitable week if I include my NAS trades, but without my NAS trades, this week was definitely a losing week for me. If I do not add my NAS trades. But, thank God for NAS 100. And I will be trading it today too. See what's happening here right now. When London opened, as soon as London opened, we have this freaking sell volume. Price just kept on falling, and now all of a sudden the volume has died down. Somebody tell me, where did the volume go? Will I live NAS 100 and NY? No, I'm only gonna do it with a mentorship group like I've been doing. my profitable week on Forex pairs is coming. Is coming back. If this 30-minute candle closes bullish, then we're gonna look at it on the 1 hour. I just need this thing to come back down to around 142.802 for me to take sales. And from where this entry is gonna be out to where this rejection was, it's about 16 pips, but we should continue. You're selling EJ from 143.1 area. All right, I'm in. I'm in, guys. One hour flip bearish, 30-minute flip bearish. We'll see what happens here.
Won't you be my number one, number one, number one, number one, number one, number one, number one. Won't you be my number one, number one, number one, number one, number one, number one, number one.
No, I said I'll make this my 3, which is my, you know, maximum trades I'll take on my currency pairs, which is 1 to 3, 3 maximum, 2 minimum, and this will be the maximum right now. Um, EJ is relevant to London, that's why. And I decided to go with EJ because since 2020, even though that's when I started trading both EJ and GJ, EJ has made me more money than GJ. So that's why I went with EJ and not GJ. You know, man. Mark, that was EJ buys right here. We took the buys. Where did we take the buys? Damn, I can't remember. Where did we take the buys? Was it this candle? Yeah, it was this candle. Yeah, we took the buy. Hold on, because if we took it here, yeah, no, that's not where we took it. Okay, yeah, we took the buys here. So we took the buys here, somewhere around there. And initially, I was expecting it to get all the way to New York highs, but it did not. You know, we was in profit a little bit. We got to like 8 pips in profit before the before the drop. So we didn't get 10 pips, so that was a losing trade. So that was the one that we lost 14 pips. And what happens here? Price just found support. Supply here at this zone. Was not expecting this rejection right here. Though was expecting it at the New York highs. So that didn't happen today. And that was the 14 pip loss. Which was pre-London. I believe we took it at 35 minutes before London open. If we didn't, if this move did not happen, yeah, this sell that happened all the way from here, yeah, I would have taken this sell right here from the top. But I didn't catch the move today. So, we'll see what happens with this sell. And I'll be right back, guys. Oh, Fiocchi said buy, buy, buy. At this point, my bias is no longer buys, and I already explained why I'm not looking for buys anymore at this point. At this point, based off the 5 minute, what I was looking for is the break and retest, and we waited for that, and this should be a winning trade. We'll see.
Thought I met you at the wrong time. Then you caught me on that one night. Girl, I wanna know how this can get out of my
So
control.
that for me, I do not like securing less than 10 pips.
Hey, that body don't lie. I didn't care for the hype. Yeah,
I have to
always
get
just
at
for you
least
to
10
like.
pips before I
When you
secure profits.
roll, you know just what you're doing. I'll go 1,000 miles to show you that I'm right for your love. Hey, keep breaking nights when you passing them by. Make sure they know that you taking love in your vibe. Let's be forever tonight, and I will let you make up your mind. But I can't wait. Where you coming over? Let me be your chauffeur, baby. I will keep on calling you love till you do the same. Let me take it over, drive it like a chauffeur, like a chauffeur. Let me drive that. Yeah, I can't recall when you came through that door, yeah. Glowing like a headlight, independent of the way that her breath
I don't
hold.
have GG
Yeah,
on my watch list
hard to
anymore.
ignore. Sexy body make a jaw hit the floor. Won't you come over
Okay. Even if I didn't take this entry on the 5 minute, I would have taken it when this previous 30-minute candle flipped bearish. So, even on the 1 hour, when this flipped bearish, I would have taken the sell. Overall, if you were looking for sales below this support, you're not wrong. Overall, I'm still confident in this trade until we start breaking this freaking retest zone at around 142, 940. Oh shit. And EJ is playing many games today, man. It does this sometimes though. We in the period. You said a quick buy is ideal, Fiyoki? I forgot to put the other loss in it. Oh, yeah, that's true. I only recorded it on the journal. Yeah, that's true. Shit, I forgot. I'm about to do that right now. Alright. Yeah, thank you for reminding me. David. Yep. That was 13. So today we've lost 27 pips in total. So this sell right here, shit, we need at least 27 pips to be at least in the break even today. Now, anything more than 27 pips, still gonna be a winning day. Well, we need at least 27. But I'm still gonna take passes at 10 though, if it gives me 10. Yeah, I already had a look at GJ earlier. Um, but I'm not trading that pair anymore. It's moving good today. I mean, but you know, EJ is not moving good today, but still not trading it. The same pullback here on the 5 minute is falling nicely. The same pullback trade, but EJ is playing games. Fioki, are you still looking for buys right now? Yeah, it looks like GJ has a lot of volume today. Yeah, GJ has a lot of volume today. And EJ currently does not. At this point, I don't see it, Schweib. I had the same bias in the beginning of this stream. My bias was bullish when it was right here. But since we broke that support, that's when I changed my bias. Now this is up 7 pips. The other buy we took got us to 8 pips. and we ended up losing it. Good morning, Kumar. Okay, Shuaib. I get 10 views. If it gets here, something is fine. Says at least fine. Well, we up 8 pips. Another 8 pips again. You closed that 8 pips. Yeah, I think someone did that earlier too. I think it was Roseberg when we took these buys. I think she closed at 8 pips also. So she made some money off the buys. We'll see, but I'm not gonna close anything out until this thing gives me 10 pips. I don't like putting my trades at break even if I do not get at least 10 pips.
Loving how you wind up for me. Tonight is all on me. Mash up the place for me. Yeah, yeah. She just wanna highlight. Ooh, wee, that body talk to me. I need a taste, baby. Loving the way,
Society
loving the way
Clothing
you
Co.
move around me. No more delay. No, you can wait to shut it down. Want to show me how you work it. I can't find no flaws, you perfect. Cause every time that you come around my way, I keep falling again. I keep falling again, yeah, yeah. And every time that you come across my mind, I keep falling again. I
Nope.
keep falling
Society Co.
again.
Nope.
In love,
No profit today yet. If this trade gives us at least 10 pips, that will be the first profit of today.
the way that you move, wanna connect with you like Bluetooth. No touching, that's my boo boo. You
All
know you do
right.
me voodoo. She's my new boo. I'm watching her like
10
YouTube.
pips secured,
I wanna
guys.
ride like choo choo.
Move your stops
Yeah, love the
to
two way
break
you
even.
move. Hey, yeah.
All right, just secured
Loving the
14
way,
and on this
loving
one.
the way you move around me. That
Now
body
that I've
talking,
secured
that body
14,
don't wait to shut it down.
I'm gonna move
Want
stops
to
to
show
break
me
even
how
here,
you work
and
it.
let's see if we're gonna get a runner.
I can find no flaws, you perfect. Cause every time that you come around my way, I keep falling again. I keep falling again. And every time that you come across my mind,
All
I
right,
keep falling again. I keep falling again. In love.
and if we get stopped out here, so I'll take the 14 pips, even though we had two losses earlier.
Cause every time that you come around my way, I keep falling again. I keep falling again. And every time that you come across my mind, I keep falling again. I keep falling again. In
Um,
love.
we updated the journal earlier, so let's do it again. Well, we started this month pretty much rough. Well, we have what 14 more days to go. Out of that 14, actually we have 10 more days because we do not trade on weekends, so we have 10 more days. That's still that's still a lot of time to still have a good September. So we pretty much have 2 more weeks. Oh, well, that's a good question, John Sunita, because I do not put my trades just at break even. I take partials before I put my trades at break even. That's why I have zero break even. I hope that makes sense. Now, some people, when they get some type of profits, they just move their stop loss to entry, and then if they get stopped out, then that's a break even trade because you didn't take any partials, you didn't take no money. So, but for me, I do not do that. I either get 10 pips at least, or I lose the trade. So I hope it makes sense. I mean, this is a win. I just recorded it on the trade journal. I'm about to record it here now. So yeah, the first buy we took, I mean, it got to 8 pips, but obviously I need at least 10 pips before I move my stops to entry. So since I didn't get 10 pips out of that, that ended up being a losing trade. So right now, it's either we reject these 5-minute lows right now, or we break it and continue bearish. So those are the two options here right now. Yep, I took maximum trades today, Mark. Like I always push to you guys, 1 to 2 trades, that's all you need. 3 trades maximum. For me, 3 trades maximum. I will be trading NAS 100 today also, but like I said earlier, my NAS account and my currency account is separate because I use different brokers, so it's separate. So on that account, I've only been trading NAS on that account, so I've only been taking 1 trade a day on that account. Now my currency account is usually 1 to 2, but maximum 3. That's it. And obviously NAS has been paying. If you're here and you're also part of the Discord, you guys already know, especially if you're in the mentorship, you already know how we've been smashing NAS 100. All right, John. So, John, let me tell you something. When it comes to this industry, in my own opinion, there are 2 ways to identify how profitable you are. You're either gonna be a risk to reward trader, or you're gonna be a win rate trader. Those are the 2 options you have. For me, it is my win rate. I look at my win rate. That's what I look at. I look at my win rate. Sure, when I take my trades, when I get my entry, if I do not have at least a 1-to-1, meaning at least maybe 20 pips first, 20 pips stop loss, and at least 20 pips for my first TP, I'm not taking that trade, right? Now for this sell that I took, I had a 20 pip stop loss, and I'm expecting EJ to get back to this support, at least worst case scenario, which is for about 20 pips. So I do have a 1-to-1, but I am taking partials at 10 pips. But I am taking that partials at 10 pips, because if anybody tells me that, okay, when you take a position and you have a risk to reward ratio of 1-to-1, that every single time, like 100% of the time, you get that 1-to-1, you're nothing but a liar. You're just lying, because there have been so many times with a 1-to-1, you still will not freaking get that 1-to-1. Um, Society Clothing Co. Yes, it does. We have weekly webinars on Saturdays, and then we have pre-market analysis on Sundays. And we'll possibly also trade Asian together if I have nothing to do on that particular day. Then we'll trade Asian session together live. So, comes to weekly webinars, pre-market analysis, currency signals, NAS 100 signals during NYSE Open, weekly assignments that you have to submit every Tuesdays, and everyone has to participate. But for me, you're only gonna get EJ signals and NAS 100. You'll get EJ signals during London, and once in a while, maybe during Asian session as well. That's the only currency pair you'll get. And then you get NAS during New York. Alright, been checking out. So, right here, we could possibly go up now from here because we have what? We have double bottom here. So we could potentially go up here. Right, obviously this candle would have been your entry here. You know, just back to this support because we could reject it again and then do what? And then freaking start falling. Or if we do not break it, right? If we do not break it, we could just freaking continue ranging here and potentially have a break during New York, break above during New York, or break below during New York. So at this point, this is a range. Even though we have a double top, this is gonna go up. Now, is it gonna break above this support turn resistance? I do not know. So if I didn't take this sell, I wouldn't have taken this buys either. Just simply because of this zone right here. That's the only reason why, until it breaks above. If it breaks above, then I'll look for my entry. Does the webinar teach you how to trade? If you pay attention. Yeah, that's true, John. It just depends on the kind of trader you are and what works for you. I tell people, whatever you're doing, if it's working for you, then just stick to it. Don't change it. Don't change it. That's why I tell you guys that my NAS 100 strategy, I'm never changing it for anything. You never, never, ever, ever gonna see me trade breakouts on NAS. You're never gonna see me use breakout trading strategy on NAS. Some people do, but it doesn't work for me. The strategy I use on NAS, that works for me very, very well, so I have no reason to change it. Right? I have no reason to change it. And if you've been following me for a while, if you guys have been paying attention to the currency, to the whenever we trade currency here live, even according to my journal, my breakout strategy, right, has more win rate compared to when I take a supply or demand setup on Forex pairs. So that's why my main strategy on currency pairs is breakouts. That's my main strategy when it comes to forex pairs. But if I see a good um, supply and demand setup, especially here on the 5 minute, I will take it. I will take it. Just like when we took these buys. So let me do this real quick before I end this stream. Now, when we took these buys that we lost, now I explained the reason why I took these buys. So we had we had this high, right? Price came back down. We created a higher low, high, low, high. We came back down. We tested this same previous support right here, right? Came back down there. We tested it. Now we got here, created another high, and what happened? Now price did what? Price rejected. Wait. Price rejected here, right? Because we had resistance here, support right here. So that was exactly what happened, and we took the buys somewhere around here, this engulfing candle. But obviously, the reason why we lost this trade was because my target was this. Let's see. My target was this New York highs, right? So that was where my target was, not where we had this rejection. All right. So that was my final target. I think we had we got out of this trade. We got out of this trade at 14 pips. So now the setup we took here, this is a demand setup right here. So just didn't work out obviously. So when I see a good supply and demand setup that I like, I will take it too on currency pairs. But my main strategy is breakouts. All right, so and I already explained the reason why I'm still not looking for buys right now, even though we do have a double bottom here right now. You still have a potential rejection zone at this support, and then price will just freaking create supply here, and price will just continue dropping, especially with the fact that now we have worked clean candles here to the left on the 5 minute. So if we reject it, we're gonna drop. All right, if we reject it, we're gonna drop. So you might as well just wait for it to break, right? If you're trading on a 5 minute, might as well wait for it to break above. Um, Wait for it to break above, maybe something like this, some kind of retest, and then, continuation, because you're trading on a 5 minute. All right. So that's it. So guys, I hope all this explanation, makes sense. And like I always say, even if you take a setup that you feel like, man, this is gonna be a win, if it's a good setup, if you lose that trade, don't feel bad. All setup is not gonna work. That's why in this industry, you win some, you lose some. You can freaking take the best setup, the best trading setup, and you could still end up losing that trade. So it just what it is. That's why your risk management is very important. Having a trading plan is very important. So just know that, guys. So yeah, we're currently rejecting this. So if you still wanna trade EJ, just wait for the breakout. In my own opinion, on the 5 minute break, retest, and continuation. If you're looking at it on the 30 minute, look for closures above this support, and then bullish flip, and then have your entry on the 5 minute break retest continuation. All right, guys. But I'm still bearish right now until it breaks above. For me, I'm still bearish on EJ. So, guys, I'll see you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend, guys. God bless you all. See you guys on Monday. Those of you in the private mentorship, don't worry, we're gonna trade NAS this morning. All right, and finish the week strong on NAS. All right, guys. God bless you all. See you guys on Monday. Have a good weekend. Oh man, EJ is ejecting that support hard. All right. Good night, guys. Good night. Good morning.